Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share a quick little update. This is the Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe, or it's a tribute car for the Shelby Daytona. Earlier videos we were in the shop and under fluorescent lighting you couldn't really see the paint. The sun's just starting to come out. We're getting ready to deliver it to the client. And what I wanted to do is hopefully our camera person can kind of come down the side of the quarter panel because and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It's such a shame because this is a pearl paint finish. We started with a Ford color and then we tweaked it. So we added some metallic and we added some pearl, and depending on how the light hits it, it changes color. But unfortunately, I'm not sure. The sun's just trying to come out. It's heavily clouded, so it's probably not going to show, unfortunately, what the paint looks like. But if the camera person just kind of walks around, just quickly around the car with it outside. So for those of you who haven't been watching this whole build, there's probably about 20 little videos I think on this from the beginning to the end, and these are quite a fun car. This is an exciting time because when you get especially like a Factory 5 car, when it's in a million pieces kind of thing as a kit form, it's hard to visualize it done. There's a lot of challenges along the way to build it, but once it's all together like this, it's a very rewarding car for sure. So like I said, we're just getting ready to load it up. I was hoping that, I don't think it's going to show up, but you can let me know in your comments this special paint. All of the work was done here in-house. So the body work, the paint, all of the assembly, the powder coating, and all that fun stuff. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.